Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this installation video, we will guide you through the process of successfully installing a front air strut for a Lexus LS430 UCF30. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Remove the applicable wheel and remove the grommet from the inside of the fender well. Then remove the airline clip. Continue by removing the 3 upper cap nuts. Now, remove the upper cap and turn the actuator counterclockwise and remove it from the upper shock bracket. Set the actuator aside for reinstallation. Remove the 3 upper mounting plate nuts and remove the upper mounting plate. Now, remove the bolts from the wheel speed sensor bracket and remove the upper control arm. Continue by removing the lower height sensor nut and disconnecting it from the lower control arm. Remove the sway bar end link nut and separate it from the sway bar. Now, remove the lower shock mount bolt and remove the cotter pin from the upper ball joint. Then, remove the ball joint castle nut and separate the ball joint from the spindle. You should now be able to remove the shock from the vehicle to complete the removal procedure. To start the installation, remove the protective cap from the airline connection and install the new shock into the vehicle. Make sure to orient the airline connection towards the engine bay. Now reinstall the lower mounting bolt and nut and reconnect the upper ball joint. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Reinstall the cotter pin and reinstall the upper sway bar end link, nut and bolt. Continue by reinstalling the height sensor linkage and reconnecting the wheel speed sensor bracket. Reinstall the upper mounting plate and reinstall the 3 mounting plate nuts using the supplied hardware. Now reinstall the actuator and the top cap. To finalize the installation, reinstall the airline clip and grommet. You have now completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut for a Lexus with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.